Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to this video. So what you're seeing currently here, I just bought these like online, starting with earphones, the mic, the webcam, everything I just bought and I just collected them today from Mercury, which is Stigma Shop and Ship. So in this video, I'm simply going to explain how I bought this stuff I'm having, when did I buy and how long it took and the entire process. So by the way, I've got this course here which says start a business of buying and selling things online in Zambia. So in this course you're going to learn about how you can buy things from China and ship to Zambia, but not only China, from different websites. So this is the course content here. Let me just bring it back. Okay, so here's the first topic. So there's how to choose a shipping company. Okay, buying from Takealot, there's from Amazon, from Alibaba, from eBay, from 1688, okay, and a lot. So in this course it's only like 100 kwacha and you'll be able to learn everything at your own pace at any time and from anywhere at your own pace, of course. So I bought these things from China, from AliExpress. Okay, so these are some of the stuff I bought. So yeah, I started with these clothes here. They costed over about $55. Okay, the mic and the headphones costed over about $83, and the webcam alone, which is this one here, it costed $36. Okay, so yeah, so I placed the order on 23rd March. Okay. And the date today is 22nd April. So it took an entire month, yeah, almost 30 days for this parcel to get to me. But why did it take 31 days and instead of just 2 weeks? So I'm going to explain the process. So I placed the order on 23 March, but that does not mean that the item was then shipped on that same day. It takes like 2 days, 3 days, or up to 7 days for something to be shipped from the seller's country. Okay, so I'm going to click on track order. What is track order? Okay, click on track order. So remember that I bought this parcel along with 3 other parcels on 23rd March, and if I scroll down, okay, it was delivered on, okay, so I think we're not on the same page. So as for me, if you've been watching most of my videos, like when I buy anything from any country, what I do is I actually use Stigma Shop and Ship. So on my AliExpress, there's my USA hub address. So this means that things first got shipped from China to USA, from USA, and then from there they got shipped to Zambia. Okay, I know there are other shipping companies that can allow you to ship directly from China to Zambia, but I just don't like them. I'm used with Stigma Shop and Ship, and I'm willing to pay an extra fee or double shipping fees for a better service. Okay, because with Stigma Shop and Ship, they notify you each and every time a parcel moves. For example, if a parcel has been shipped, they'll tell you. If a parcel has reached Zambia, they'll tell you. If you can come and collect it, they'll tell you. In fact, they'll tell you the entire process. You don't have to make follow-ups, contacting them, asking about your parcel. No, everything is shown. And unlike other shipping companies whereby you need to make follow-ups and argue with customer support, but for this one, everything is easy. Just have to sit back, check your notifications, and you're good to go. Okay, so it was delivered in USA on 24th. No, not on 24th. It was actually, okay, delivered in USA on, okay, sorry for that. It was actually delivered in USA on 5th April. Okay, so 5th April. So I placed the order on 23rd March and it arrived in USA on 5th April. So let's try to calculate the days. I just don't know how many days does March have. I don't know if it's 31 or 29 or 30. So okay, we're going to assume that March has got 30 days. So that is 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so that's 7 plus 5. So that's basically 12 days. So from China to USA, okay, it was shipped in 12 days. This is really wonderful. So in 12 days, it was delivered in USA hub. That is from China to USA. This is really fast. Like, this is basically just a week. But let me try to log into Tigmo Shop and Ship. So here we're told that it was delivered on 5th April, but here it's showing that it was delivered on 6th April. Okay, I don't know if it's because of time difference, I don't know, but there's always a delay when it comes to, maybe this is when they just updated these things. Yeah, but either way, it took 12 days from China to USA. Now, here is the thing. How long does it take for you, Tigmo, to send the parcel from USA to Zambia? So the funny part is that the parcel actually did stay in the US for over a week, okay? And when the parcel was sent out from USA to Zambia, it took a day and another day from the sorting center to the collection center. So that's basically a total of 3 days. So basically, I think the shipping from USA to Zambia is 3 days. I think what takes long, okay, is for them to send out a parcel. So I'm not sure how they do it. I don't know if they send parcels once a week or once a month. Okay, for example here, okay, on the 6th, okay, let us say on 6th year they received the parcel. So on 6th April, they received the parcel. Yeah, on 6th April they received the parcel, and then on the 17th April, this is when they actually sent the parcel. So let's try to calculate how many days it stayed there. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, another 11 days. So that's nearly 2 weeks. So the parcel stayed in USA for nearly 2 weeks. Okay, I don't know why. Then now on 17th, this is when the parcel was dispatched. Okay, and finally yesterday the parcel was forwarded to the city for collection. So when the parcel was sent from USA, that was 17. On 21, I was supposed to pick it up. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, basically 3 to 4 days. So it took over about 3 to 4 days. Okay, and this is how this entire process took a month. So no, a month is just okay, because if I tried other shipping companies, especially those that ship directly from China to Zambia, okay, it would have taken up to 2 months or so, unless if I paid for a better service. So even though I used a longer route, okay, it was actually faster and I was being updated in the entire process. Okay, if it's AliExpress was sending me emails almost every day telling me about updates of my parcel, where I don't have to be contacting people over the parcel. So this is how we actually get these things. So I haven't talked about how you do buying addresses, stuff like that, because I've created a course which is very cheap. It's only like $5 over about 100 kwacha, and you get to learn everything you need to know, everything, and I mean everything, from anywhere. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. This is Keith. Bye for now.